How to log into your Canva account on phone. Whether you are on the go or just prefer designing on a mobile device, accessing Canva is quick and easy. In this full guide, I'll show you how to log into your Canva account on your phone. Let's dive in. Launch your preferred browser and then type in Canva login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, canva.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login. Click on it. Now, using any of these options, you can easily log into your account: Google, email, Apple, Facebook, or another way. Just make sure to choose the option that you have used to sign up for your account. I'm gonna select email. Then go ahead and provide the credentials. Once you type in, you can click on continue. Now you will be receiving code in the email address that you have just entered. So go and check your mail. After you check the mail, type in that code over here and then click on continue. With that, you will be logged into your account. And that's how you log into your Canva account on phone. With these simple steps, you can access your designs anytime, anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.